Welcome! In front of me I have Realme Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to get the most accurate results of your heart rate measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try to keep still, don't move around too much to get the most accurate results. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but my results might be not too accurate because of that. Okay, let's continue with the measurement. First, you will need to wake up the screen on your watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen, like this, to open the menu, and here select the heart rate option. And now your watch should be measuring the heart rate immediately after you open this up, because it's gonna be measuring the heart rate in the real time. Wait a couple of seconds, this number should jump around, and once it stabilizes a little, it should be your current heart rate, basically. So let's wait a couple of seconds. And now, as you can see, it kind of stabilized, it's around 70, and that should be your current heart rate. You also have the table right here. You can check the heart rate progression during the day. You have a whole day, right, the table for it. Also, you have highest heart rate during the day and the lowest heart rate during the day. And once you're done measuring your heart rate, simply press the side button to go back, like this. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.